This is the elevator at Beachwood Place in Beachwood, Ohio. Schindler MT. Here it is. Let's go to 2. Let's hear the motor. Here are 2. Let's go down to 1. Schindler. Don't know if you can see it. Your empty fixtures. 2,500 pound capacity. Here's the phone. Let's go one more ride. I did not close this all the way. That's fantastic. Let's get a cab view. Let's hear the motor. Here are 2. Let's go down to 1. This didn't look like it was lighting up for a second. Let's get a cab view. It's a very nice cab. Here are 1. Watch it close. And that's it.